Sergio here. Well, now that you have your classroom and there are students in it, let's create an activity. So here we go. Give it a name, save it into a folder if you want, and select the language that you're going to be teaching. After you create your activity, be it from scratch with AI or with the import vocab list, also check a video that we have on these features in detail if you are not sure what to do with them or the best use cases for them. We also have blog posts available. So after you have the activity, it's always a good idea to test it. You can go into the editor and click on preview here and test how every single part of your activity will work. I recommend doing this, especially at the beginning, to get familiarized with the way people will be testing your students and how, let's say, what type of student or what type of answers are going to be, let's say, pass or fail or given a specific score. It's always good to test these from the preview button. So when you're done, go back to the builder and assign it. Here in the assignment of the activity, you can send it to one classroom, right? Or multiple classrooms if you prefer. Decide if it's practice or assessment, meaning that their grades will be given immediately, or if the grades need to pass by you before, and you can schedule it. You can add a start date, a due date, or no date, and just leave it like there indefinitely.